Hello, it's me, Jolene, and this is my Gavin, and I will sing to you the first verse of Peace is Flowing Like a River, okay? Peace is flowing like a river, flowing out to you and me. Peace is flowing like a river, setting all the captives free. There. Now you see me. I love to dance. I love to dance with my baby. And my baby loves to dance with me. Yeah. He's a sweetheart. All right. Talk to you later.